Okay, so I may or may not have stayed up until like 2 a.m. Trying to figure out this Clubhouse thing. I'm Patty Allred, and I'm here to help you make money online. I help women and a few brave men, and I want to help you. Okay, this Clubhouse thing. I got so confused yesterday because I was looking for information on it, and it ends up there's two different ones called Clubhouse, and I think they're probably both really good, but the one that I have hopped on with some friends of mine, and I'm getting to know the one that is actually in beta, is when you go to your app store and it's Apple only right now, you put in Clubhouse, it is the one that says drop in audio. Clubhouse drop in audio. That's the one you want. It's got the cool guy on there. I'm looking for my phone to do it, so I'm using my phone to video. So listen, if I can do this, you can do this. Okay, can I get a witness? All right, go to the App Store and type in Clubhouse. Look for the one that has drop in audio. Do you need an invite? You do, but then again, you don't. Here's how you can get around that, okay? Because I only get, or anybody only gets one invite to give to someone to come into the Clubhouse whenever they are accepted in. So here's what you do. After you download the app, go ahead and click to join, but reserve your username. It will be at, like mine's at Patty Allred. And that's it. You use your name, you use your phone number, and it's at your name. You will reserve that. Then what you want to do is check with somebody that's in your contacts. Now you have to be connected with them, and then they can manually approve you. Like if you were one of my contacts in my contact list and you sign up, reserve your username in Clubhouse, the drop-in audio, message me, and I can look for you and I can manually approve you. So then you're in. Then you'll get one invite and be able to invite someone, but you can also do this at the same time. Now this app does link up to our Twitter and our Instagram. Now you cannot, it's an audio only app. You cannot put any text in, no videos, which is good. See, they won't know my hair's still wet on that app, but you can't do anything but audio. You can change your picture, but once you give advice that people are, or information that people are going to want to know, they will look for you in your Twitter or your Instagram. They'll find you. They can even go to Facebook and look you up. Like I'm Patty Allred on Facebook. I'm Patty Allred across the board. So they can look me up and find me that way. It's still in beta stage. It's crazy. It's just a few months old. It's in beta stage. And I'm telling you, get on it. If you are an entrepreneur, or if you're a teacher, if you are a coach, an influencer, a business builder, this is going to be the thing for 2021. And it's free. It will be exploding. It's already exploding and it's still in beta. I'm going to put in the comments below, or in my text below, a guide that I was on last night. It's clubhouseguide.com, and I'll put that below. That's where the actual developers are giving information on what they're doing and telling you how to do it, how to go in and start clubs and set up your information. So you'll want to do that. This is a massive potential to gain customers. Who's it for? You. Patty Allred. I'm here to help you make money online. I work with women and a few brave men, and it is my passion to help all of you. Hit subscribe, like if you want to. Follow me. I'll be coming back on with more information about this amazing app that can help you with your business or just anything in life. Love you guys.